Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and break down how you basically access this FlipGrid thing. I think this is the first time we did this for this class. So I'm just going to show you how to do it both on the computer and if you choose to do it on your cell phone. Okay, so here we go. So this is on the laptop. If you go to Microsoft Teams, you'll be able to see our file. There's the link to the distance learning check-in. So there it is. All you're going to do is click on it. Once you click on the link, it should take you into our grid, which is, actually it's going to ask you to log in. You're going to want to log in with your Google email. Okay, and then you just log in with your Google email just like you would for anything else. Then it'll take you into this profile. You'll see my video if you want to watch my reflection to the questions. You also see the list of the questions that I'm asking you on the right hand side, so you can kind of think about your answers if you want. And then once you're ready, you're going to click this big green plus button, and that will bring up the camera. Make sure to allow for the computer to access your microphone and camera. And then this little book looking icon, if you want to take a look back at the questions, you can click that instead of having to exit the screen. And then you just click record, and it's just kind of like TikTok and like Snapchat. Like, you can record for a little bit. If you want to pause to take a break, you could pause and then restart the camera. Once you're good, you'll click next. You can rewatch what you did, and then once you're okay with it, you can hit next again. And then you got to take like a selfie just as your thumbnail. By the way, I'm the only one that's going to see these. You can add little emojis to your selfie. I just decided to add some glasses on mine, but this is so I could see who's posting what. Once again, if you don't want to show your face in this stuff, that's fine. I at least want to hear from you guys. But once you take your selfie and if you add your things, it'll go ahead and download your video. You make sure to put your name where it says display name, and then just submit video, and there it is posted. Now for the phone users, if you want to use your phone, if you're already logged into the Teams app, once again, you can find the link to this on Microsoft Teams, so you'll just click it there. And then once again, it's going to take you to Safari, but you can go ahead and click the app to open it in the app. And then it'll bring it right open for you. Once again, you can watch the YouTube video if you want, or just click the plus button to start your video. And this is for people that just want to go straight to FlipGrid. So if you just want to go straight and download the FlipGrid app, you could also just do this straight on the app. You just need the code, which the code, if you watch this video, the code will pop up there, and it's also on the link. So this is if you want to skip the step of going to Microsoft Teams. And then once again, you'll just sign in with your Google account and your class, your school email. And then it'll take you in. Once again, all you have to do is click the little plus sign when you're ready to start recording. And the cool thing about the phone is you can also bring up the questions, so you can read them while you're recording. Also, with the phone, it's easier to do selfie videos. So there's me messing around with it. But once you're done, once again, you can rewatch your video, make sure you like it, and then you take your little selfie picture. This way I can have a thumbnail for your video and me acting silly again. But anyways, once you get that done, you can also add emojis and things there. And add some glasses on myself there. And then after that, you'll just go ahead and click that green arrow to post it live on the chat. It says congrats that I turned it in, or that I submitted it. And once again, if you don't feel comfortable recording your face and like being on the screen, you can just record, I don't know, the wall while you're talking. I'm the only one that's going to see these. No one else can see your responses. I just really want to check in with you guys, see how you guys are doing, and get back into the swing of things. So if you have any questions on how to do this, the good thing about me posting this as a video, you can always go back and rewatch how to log in and how I did it from my devices, and then you could try to do it on your own. But if not, make sure to contact me, and then I will help you guys out. Okay, wishing you guys the best. Hopefully I hear from you guys soon. You guys have until next Friday to post these, so you have a long time just to sit there and respond to these questions.